get?
I don't know.
Several pounds.
Several pounds.
Several pounds. Because this is all you've done, plus there's some up on the porch.
Yeah. Little stragglers here. Gotta go this year though. Keep these little roots in there.
More sweet potatoes? More sweet potatoes?
Yeah, there's some sort of a larva shell here of a worm. Big brown larva shell.
Huh.
Finding them. Growing our own horseshoes. This one had grown around several sweet potatoes. Just
That is
rather
way
than to a clump.
That is way too funny.
Just my first picking of harvesting of the sweet potatoes. That's just surface. Haven't flipped the ground yet to get the rest of them, but it's a good sized little haul.
So what is this that you're doing now?
I'm just turning the ground over, looking for any more sweet potatoes, and trying to get the roots out of it too. These little roots
Yeah.
will produce next year, and I don't want them to.
Any sweet potatoes left in there would too.
Yeah. So just looking for. Oop, there's another one.
Alrighty.
Okay, sweet potato harvest. Now we're going to weigh them and see what we got.
All right, we're gonna get the weight of the sweet potatoes now. All right, there we go. And you weigh 88.2 pounds.
Kilograms.
Oh, I'm sorry, 88.2 kilograms. These scales, they're foolers. The first box, $104.2 kilograms. The second box, $102.4 kilograms. The third box, $97.8 kilograms. And the last box, $97.8 kilograms. All right, we'll be back after we've done the math, won't we? We did the math on the sweet potatoes and we came up with 107 pounds of sweet potatoes in one 4x10 raised bed box. We are pretty happy with that. All right, that's all we got for today.